We have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S550 here that came in, bought used, pretty decent condition, but came in pretty heavily swirled. The owner wanted it ceramic coated. I had to point out to him first how badly swirled the car was, which he really wasn't even aware of. So I had to point that out, which very often happens where clients are not really sure what the condition of the true condition of their paint is. Luckily for me, I mean, this was the kind of client, or is the kind of client, who realized what had to be done and said, go ahead, do it, do what needs to be done. Unfortunately, sometimes you explain it to clients who are just not getting it and don't understand the work that will be involved, to get the correction done and get the paint to look the way it should look before anything else gets done. But this client said, go ahead, do what you need to do. So we did a paint correction. Again, it was not a concourse level correction. It's still going to be a daily driver. He only comes down to this area part-time, lives in several places in the country, so it wouldn't make sense to do a over-the-top crazy correction. But it was still paint corrected, and then 2 layers of ceramic coating on all of the exterior, including the top, the convertible top. The windshield gets it as well. And he also then requested the wheels and calipers to be done. So the car now looks, when it first came in, the paint did not have this depth, absolutely did not have this kind of gloss. And hopefully he will notice the difference and realize the transformation. I mean, the car's already 4 years old. Not sure what the mileage is, but I think it has had a few owners already. He also asked for a thorough interior cleaning because the interior was pretty dirty. Unfortunately, there are some worn out areas that would have to be re-dyed. You see the steering wheel. I mean, that's not something he requested. So all we did was a good thorough cleaning. The seats were pretty dirty. There is one spot here. Actually, it's hard to see. Inside you can see it better. Right there. It's a worn out spot. The sun now kind of overpowers it. But the door panel was extremely dirty, but we could not get all of the stains out. Some of them were really worked their way into the material. And of course here also we have a worn out area that would have to be re-dyed as well. But overall, the car looks so much better than the way it did when it came in. And this is proof of, you can bring a car in that's a few years old. We're not going to be able to get it to look like perfection or to look absolutely brand new. But a car like this now comes pretty close to looking like a new car. Try to get it from this angle. You can see, seeing this car on the road, most people, if they don't know their years of cars, they would not know that this car is 4 years old.